What if I told you that with a few lines of code you can create custom messages, show or hide sections, or build smart pricing logic, all without installing any Shopify app? Well, that's the power of liquid variables in Shopify. In this video, I'm going to break them down, explain how they work, and show you practical examples to implement in your Shopify store today. I'm Vivek and welcome to our new video. Let's check out what is liquid variables and how you can use it to add custom functionality in your Shopify store. So let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a liquid variable, or as it's more technical called a liquid object? In Shopify, liquid objects represent variables that hold data. They could be products, collections, cards, blog, or even customers. Think of them as containers. Some hold simple data like product title, and some can contain more complex data like a collection that has multiple products inside it. These objects helps you build and personalize your theme with dynamic content. Without them, Shopify themes would be just static HTML. So, how to use these liquid variables? Well, you can use liquid variables using the double curly braces. Let me show you with an example. So here in your Shopify admin, select the online store and click on the customize. For the demo purpose, I will be using custom.liquid block. So I am browsed to the product template, and here in the product template I am adding a new section for custom liquid. Here, just for the demo purpose, I am showing you. So here the liquid code, here is the custom liquid code, and you can see that the product object dot title, that is the product, which is the object, dot title is the property, and it is showing you the value, which is the name of the product, this one. So this is how you can use liquid variables in the custom code. So as you can see, this line will output the title of the current product. And this is simple, right? You can also use liquid tags to apply filters like formatting prices, money, etc. So it's not just about displaying data, it's also about formatting it in useful ways. But not every object is available everywhere in your theme. So for example, this product object is available only when you are on the product template. There are different type of objects in terms of. So first is the global accessible objects. Objects like card, collections, or customers are available throughout your theme, except for some files like checkout.liquid or liquid insights assets. Second type is template specific objects. For example, product object is directly accessible in products.liquid or any section used within. If you are not on the product page, this product.title won't work because the object doesn't exist there. Another is parent-child object relationship. Other objects are accessed through a parent. Let's say you are working with blogs. You have access an individual article either via global articles object or through blog.articles property. Always refer to Shopify docs to understand which object is available where and how to reference it. Besides the built-in objects, you can also define your own variables using the tags like assign. So for example, assign, and here I am giving let's say my variable equal to my store name. And now I am just displaying the value of this my variable. and you can see that here it will show the value of this object that I have just assigned. So now here you can see that it is displaying the value of my own variable that I just assigned. So this is useful when you want to temporarily store a value and use it later. For example, assigning a discount tag or customizing logic based on meta fields. Custom variables can simplify your templates and help to organize complex logic. Now let's zoom in one of the most commonly used objects, the product object. This object gives you access to almost everything related to the product like title, description, price, availability, variants, images, and more. You will often see code like product.title, product.description, product.price. So these all are coming from the product object, and as you can see, I wrote it down and simply the value of these are being displayed here. Now let's check out some simple examples how you can use these liquid variables to perform simple functions. So let's check out an inventory based message where you have a use case where you want to show a message or display a text showing only a few left if the inventory of that product is below 5. So let's write the code to do so. So here I have written the code where if it checks for the inventory value, if it is below than 5, it will show hurry, only 3 left in the stock. Great. As you can see in the code, this is the product liquid variable and its property, the current variant. I have assigned it to a variable of my own and checked for the inventory quantity, and if it is less than 5, then I am here showing the message with the actual quantity which is available. So today you learned what liquid variables are, how to use and access them, how to create your own, and how to apply them in real examples. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Shopify dev content, and drop a comment if you want part 2 of advanced liquid tips. Until next time, keep building and happy selling. Thank you.